teams that depend on working dogs, training is everything. But not having a centralized platform to log training sessions, track performance, and make meaningful improvements is holding these teams back from their full potential. Whether for life-saving missions or purely for sports, these working dogs always give us their best. It's time we do the same for them. That's where DogBase comes in. This digital platform does it all from the convenience of desktop and mobile. All of your team, units, and individual assets in one place? No problem. A full lineup of training types? Done. AI-powered recommendations to take things up a notch? It's all right here. Validated by experts across various specialties, including top canine search and rescue teams, military units, training centers, dog sports, and more. DogBase brings a level of specificity that's completely lacking in the market today. These experts include trainers, handlers, and behavioralists with lifelong experience working with canines. Coupled with AI integrations to turn data into usable insight, DogBase streamlines virtually every performance-driving area of canine training. This includes up-to-date compliance, efficient team management, seamless communication, and community building. It's all about creating a centralized space that helps teams get better outcomes while serving each dog's best interest from a health and well-being perspective. Ultimately, DogBase is centered on more than training workflows alone. It's about building a reliable ecosystem that every handler and team leader can count on. That's the DogBase difference.
Hello, everyone. My name is Almog Koren. I'm the CEO and co-founder of DogBase. And when I'm not working on DogBase, I'm a search and rescue canine handler with my dog Echo, and I also compete in competitive dog sports. You would think that I started DogBase through my experience as a special forces operator working with these amazing and extraordinary dogs. However, DogBase was started through my personal journey when my kidneys shut down and I went on kidney dialysis. Through that journey and hardship, I got my dog Echo as my service dog. And through Echo, I found my passion for DogBase, working dogs, handlers and trainers that are working with these amazing dogs every day. The working dog industry and market is a $50 billion industry. Again, $50 billion, and it's rapidly growing. At DogBase, we believe in the power of tech to elevate working dogs' performance and improvements. We're bringing tech into an untapped market. My passion for this space, the dogs, and this mission is something that I care about. And if you want to join us on an extraordinary journey, and then potentially one of the best untapped markets out there, come speak with me. DogBase isn't just a tech startup. It's a story of perseverance and going through hardship while having a positive impact in one of the most important spaces in the industry that has no tech and lots of potential. Thank you.
Almog, how you doing?
I feel way better after that.
So I don't know if you can tell, we're always telling Almog to slow down and talk a bit more clearly, and he did really well there, so well done, Al. You could probably also hear that Almog is not a local from Sydney. He actually moved here from Israel. He is such a deep, committed founder. And so, Al, has it been worth it? Tell us about what this will be like to move here.
First, thank you. Yeah, it's been outstanding. We came to Techstars with, we did pre-sales to the UK Military Special Forces in a training center around 10,000 USD, but we had no product and we were in product development. And then I think within the second week of Mentor Magic, or third week, we were like, okay, we got to launch our product based on the feedback. We launched our MVP, and I think the numbers speak for themselves, and I'm super excited about that. And they're already outdated, right? That's how fast we're growing. So yeah, 165 users that are using the app right now. We're limiting access. We're getting 7.5 average training sessions logged into our platform, which is the data we need for the AI. But what's really, really interesting is that it's a 1.10 user invite, so every user is inviting another user almost, and that's like super exciting for us.
Yeah, they really are fantastic. And you're right, I remember in the screening committee, we were just like, is this just an idea? And is this even a market? And so can you, and it's extraordinary what you launched, your MVP, and every day he launches in Slack with more updated figures. So can you tell us a bit more about that $50 billion market? Break that down a bit more for us.
Yeah, I mean, I love this question because it's really like a qualifying question for investors because it's just hard to see the vision here. But the reality is the working dog space itself globally is around $13 to $17 billion, growing rapidly. And then we have the dog sports market, which is another almost $20 billion market. Again, with like a 7% CAG, it's probably more. I don't have the exact number. And that's not including service dogs, therapy dogs, emerging markets like conservation and arson detection, private security. So the space is huge. But what we're really, really excited about is the dog sports space, right? It's a $20 billion market. And what we're seeing is as people get more dogs and those dogs become part of their household, they go and join a dog sports community. And part of that community, they go and join a team. And then, DogBase is right there to capture that.
It's incredible. There's so many billions involved with so many dogs, frankly. Al, so now that you've launched your MVP and had such incredible success and the traction's been awesome, how have you gone about looking at the pricing and the business model? What have you learned from there?
Yeah, so, I mean, we're a B2B SaaS business, as you would say. We're super focused right now on the government side and the search and rescue side, as you can see from our current customers. And we have inroads in a number of other governments that we can't really talk about, but we're excited about. Just being super focused in that space because it gets us to, not only gets us to like a really good profitability, but we won't need a lot of investment to capture the market really, really quick. And the search and rescue space gives us a dog sports space because they also do dog sports. It gives us the data, but it gives us basically the brand recognition where these top handlers in the industry are using and pushing our product out. So that's kind of like been the direction. After that, there's also the trainers market and a bunch of other opportunities.
So I think what I'm hearing is like, if you do ever open a round, then people need to get in there quite quick. There might not be too many after that. Can you share with us a little bit about the rest of your team? There's you, and who else have you got?
So we're, like I said, an Israeli startup nation, pretty amazing team. We got 3 developers in Israel, a developer in the US, co-founders in Spain. So we're fully remote, fully hybrid. I'm in Sydney, and we have 3 amazing interns here, which one of them did that video last night and pulled all nighter for us. So I've been really fortunate to have an amazing team behind me.
That's awesome, Al. And just to wrap up, have you got any news? You're always sharing amazing news. Have you got any news you'd like to share with us tonight?
I'm just going to say what we've kind of already been pushing out there. We were invited to the World Police Summit in March to do in Dubai, to do the first AI canine workshop. They're paying for us. We were just super excited. That's going to give us a brand new market, which is the police. So yeah, we're excited about that.
Fantastic. Thanks, Almog.
Thank you.